So let's start with the second part of lookup and reference, and we will look at choose, switch, unique, and next lookup in this. So first we'll go with the choose. So choose is nothing but a positional function. So if I have to say, so let's take an example here. So we have your rating, that is 1 to 5. We have something which is quantify, which can calculate it. So there are how many positions here? There are 5 positions, and we have given them a value. As per first position will be okay, second is okay, third one is good, fourth one is average, and fifth one is awesome. So keeping this in mind, we have to use this function. So let's say choose, and we select this. So this is we will have related to it rating. So any output which is related to rating. So here we have to understand that we have to give it position value. So we will say that first, whatever the first position is, we will say it's okay. Whatever second position is, we will say it's okay. Whatever the third position is, we will say it's good. Whatever the fourth position is, we'll say average, and if it is fifth position, we will say awesome. Right. So by selecting J3 formula, the function is identifying that it's a fifth position. So let's see what it will take. It will take awesome automatically. So here if I paste it below, it takes good because good is at third position. So this is how it will work. And so this is basically used where you have a very limited numbers of positions where you want to give a value to it, like 7 days of the week, or 12 months, like 1 to 10, 1 to 5. So where you can calculate it. We could have used a range over here instead of putting a manual value to the positions. We could have just select this. So this would have represented the first position value. This is for second. I'm making it absolute by clicking F4. This is third position value. Then this is again fourth position value, and this is first fifth position value. The only problem with this is so the result is same. The only problem with this is if the positions get interchanged by any reason, the value would change. So I will say here, and if you say the value gets changed. So this is the only drawback of this function, and that's the reason I would say that we can use alternatives like VLOOKUP or some other function for this. And yeah, that's it from choose. So we will now look at switch functions. So what is switch functions? So again, I will explain you with the example over here. Let's say what it says. Switch is basically it switches the value of certain thing, but not exactly on that cell, but that in another cell. So let's see the example now. So we have a department over here which is HR, operations, and technical. So we want to give a particular general email address to the department. So let's say so how we will use it. Switch, the expression is the cell where it will get the value which needs to be switched. So I say here we have HR, and we want it to be switched as email address, which is general email address for that department. HR@organization.com. It's organization.com. And for operations, we will write operations. We will write value is operations @ organization.com. And for okay, so we only have three. So here we have to keep in mind that if we have a three objects here, so we want to switch three values over here. So for through two, we will give instruction like from HR to HR organization, operation to operation organization. For the last one, we don't have to give the value. I mean the switch instruction. We will write a default. So they have suffered something called default. So every time if we having eight values which we need to switch, so till seven we will give them the instruction like from A to make it B, from C to make it D, from E make it F. But for the last one we will not give any instruction, we will directly write it. So for last one I will write technical, so I will write others at rate organization.com. What it will do is first it will go and search for HR and it will make it change from HR to HR@organization.com. So let's close this. If you look at the formula like this, so it says, okay, I will make it wrapped. So it says make changes in from HR to HR organization, make changes for operation to operations@organization.com, and apart from it, if you find anything apart from HR and operation, make it others@organization.com. Okay, I think this is more explainable. I will go now. I will copy this. For example, I will copy here. Just drag it. So if you see, for all technicals, it has taken as others@organization. So this is it. This is it with switch. So now we will do for unique. So as it says, unique functions finds out the unique value. So if I have to say that how many unique ratings we have, let's say how many unique, if this is from 1 to 100 or anything, so I'll say what is unique in this. So we have 5 3 2 1, but we want it to be sorted. What I'll do, I will just put sort formula ahead of it. Sort, bracket close again, and now it is sorted. So if I have to check how many departments we have in unique, I'll select this and bracket close. It has three departments: HR, operation, technical. So this is what it is unique function is. So let's say now, okay, that's it. Now we can look at the XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is very advanced, and I think this is very latest after 2019 Microsoft Office. They have introduced this, and you will not find it. You will not found it in older version. So what exactly? It's very simple. If you look at the syntax of it, it's very simple. It says what you're looking for, and give us the reference range, and what you're looking for, that range. That's it. So I'll just show you what I have done is, okay, so we already have this country selected. If I say America, what I need is now is what is country code for American Samoa. So either I go and look at here, or I can pull this, but I want my data to be here. So what I'll do, first of all, we can name this range. How to name it? I'll select this from here to down, everything, and I will write here as country. What happened here is now this range has been named as country. We will select this range and we will name it as country there's no space, you can't put space over here, so we have to put underscore code. Enter. We will name this as ISO code. ISO code. We will name this as population. So this I'm just doing extra. If you want, you can skip it. You can directly select the range and make it absolute by pressing F4, and that's it. Okay, so this I will write as area. This I will write as GDP. Okay, so how it is helpful, I will just show you by naming something. How it is, it makes your formula look very nice and simple. So here now we will write X lookup. What we are looking for, we are looking for these information, but with the help of country name. We are looking as country name is unique over here. So I will select this, make it absolute by clicking F4. We don't want this to be changed for other as well. Now what we are looking here, we are looking for country code. No, yeah, looking for country code, but lookup array. So they want to first check where our American somehow is located. So where it can search it can search it in country. So as I write country, you can see our this automatic get selects, the B column automatic get selects, because we have named them that range as a country. So and what we want in return array, so return we want country code. So as we have already given it a name, country code, we'll say country code. And if not found, but I'm sure we will find it, we will close the bracket here, and here it is. For ISO code, we will again make the changes. We will make changes over here. We'll say X lookup. We want to look with the help of country name. Where we can find the country name, we will find it in country column range. What we are looking for is ISO code. We have already given it a name as ISO code. As you see, I selected ISO. The ISO range got selected in blue color, the purple color in column D. I closed it. It automatically changed. I mean, it fetched the detail. Now I will make changes in. I will fetch for population. It's X lookup. Looking up with this value with the help of country name, right? And so you see it's a table name. It has a table image. We'll write country. We want return value as population. So population, close bracket. Population is very less. I want same. So what we can do is without typing, we can just copy paste it from above down. Instead of population, we will write area now, and we again copy it down, and instead of area we write it GDP, because we want GDP, and enter. So now here we have all the information. So if I change my country name here, if I say Argentina, everything changes. Every information below changes as per that. Belgium. If I go and make it Malaysia, it says Malaysia's population GDP. Mauritius, Mongolia, Mozambique. So if I do any changes here, it automatic France. So let's make these changes. That's it now, and we can meet up in the next training. Thank you.